Yo, what's good, guys? Another video on my page. Today is Monday. Alright, so April 13th. Alright, so today I'm going to try to trade GBP. First of all, I'm interested in buying GBP. Why? During a short session, we have this mighty push to the downside. From this mighty push to the downside, and remember I said liquidity first, right? So we've gotten lots of liquidity sweep. Look at, alright, this candle is a bullish liquidity sweep. So below this close bullish, square below this also close bullish, and see a lot of liquidity sweep. And our confirmation is a 15 minutes impulsive break, and we have this already. We've gotten the 15 minutes impulsive break. Gotten the 15 minutes impulsive break. And as you can see, we have the bullish, right? We have the bullish here, the pullback. So we're expecting it to break above this, not this red one, this, right? Above this. We don't want it to weak. We want it to break above that. This potential break of structure right there. So last week was a good week. I traded 3 times. Lost 1 and made profits off of the remaining 2. So I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to break as a bullish. Then I'm going to go for a buy and put my stop loss beneath this. And I don't know, sometimes these pips usually increase. I don't know, sometimes this length sometimes can be 30 pips, but now it's 15. I don't know why it's doing like that. So our take profits can be, I don't know, it can be here. Sometimes markets will want to go all the way up. Oh, we've gotten the impulsive break. Oh. Good, we've gotten the impulsive break already. We've gotten the impulsive break on the 5 minutes. We can go with the 5 minutes impulsive break. Wow, this is a good one. This is a good impulsive break on the 5 minutes. So we're going to be entering little by little. Well, I think we have a fair value gap right here. There is better be enter for the fair value gap. Good. This is a good trade. Good. This is a good trade. This is a good trade for me. This is a good trade. Good. This is a good trade. Right, we have this crazy impulsive break. Immediately liquidity was swept. We have this impulsive, fast impulsive break. Good. So this is a good trade for me. I'm going to put buying GBP. Let me find GBP from this point. Good. Now stop loss will be good. So I'm waiting for the adjustment to this fair value gap, and I'm going to go for a buy. Stop loss will be at this low. Alright, so let's get 95 ready. Stop loss 34017. Okay. We've got to be patient, wait on the candle to tap into the fair value gap. Oh shit, here we go again. Missed entry. We literally missed an entry because I'm trying to this that. This is why I said I just enter and don't like to confirm. Because so much of confirmation is going to let you to miss on some opportunity you are never meant to miss. But I did not regret actually. I didn't regret for real. I didn't regret. It was a nice trade, but I would have taken the trade earlier on. Things happen, but it was. I did it. I did not regret actually. I didn't regret. The only thing I just noticed was if I had entered from that point, will I be able to hold the trade when it goes back to break even? Let's say, for example, I entered where I was supposed to enter without looking for extra confirmation. You get what I mean? I should have gotten in from this point. Yep. Stop loss there. Yep. The target to issue 1, which was yeah. Now, how will you feel? How will you feel when you were almost close to your take profits, then you went back to break even? You get what I mean? Yeah, well, you tipping virtually. So, it has been a crazy kind of stuff. So I wasn't that, you know, pained. I was pained low key, but I wasn't too, you know what I mean? Pain, but I was pained. So it is what it is. I think we missed an entry. But for real, market was meant to fill this February gap. This February gap was a sweet one, and a possible break with the February gap. We tested the February. I did this bearish candle had tapped in, even a week. I would have entered, but nope, it left the space. Crazy now about market now. Market can start to just dunk on some traders, boom, and move this way. Market is so crazy, man. So I think I'll be done for today. But if I should see any other entry, I'm going to post. But this time I'll be posting it on my Instagram story. So go follow me on my Instagram page. This is Danny G, and be up to date on my story just in case I post any trade or any update. You get what I mean? It's your boy Danny G, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.